Hello everybody, this is Samy Olabi, and today I'm having with me the latest edition of Nikon mirrorless camera, the Z6 second edition or Mark II. I'm one of the first to receive this camera today, and I'm really very excited about it, specifically speaking about astrophotography and time-lapse. I'm having lots of things, beautiful things that I'm excited about when I'm checking the specs of the newly released camera. The things that I noticed that Nikon listened to all our comments, and they have incorporated most of the things or all of the things that we needed to see in the Z3. I've been using the Z6 for the last 2 years now, and as an astrophotographer and night shooter, it served me very well. The camera is really very good in terms of low light sensitivity, and I've tried it with time lapses, with still shots, with even deep sky astrophotography, and it really performed very good. The things that I'm really excited about the new Z6 are the new features that were released, which is really serving the need for all the videographers and the astrophotographers and all the photographers in requirement of low light sensitivity. I will go through quickly the things related to such new features, and I'm really excited about it. If you ask me about the top things that I am excited about in this camera, is the 900 seconds, which is relevant to the D10A. Maybe I'm looking at it from a different perspective, but this is a really very important aspect for me. There is an internal intervalometer, which is a really cool feature as well, and the most exciting part is the battery. I can now do time lapses without worrying about the battery running out, so I can just plug a USB charger while it's recording or while I'm shooting the deep sky astrophotography, and it will be perfectly working without any worry. Back in the days, we used to change the battery every now and then, or I used to charge with a big battery. Now it's really very convenient for me. The processor is double, so it means that I have a faster autofocus, I have faster performance, which is a privilege and a very improved point. And the autofocus, I'm relying that it will be improving a lot. There are some other cool features. As I told you, the firmware now will be updated via SnapBridge battery, which is the EL15C, is a much improved battery than the previous one. On the Z6 version 1, we can still use the newly introduced battery, but it will not work in terms of charging while operation. It is a full frame camera, of course, and price-wise it will be the same. The dimensions are almost the same as the previous camera, the Z6 Mark I. Of course, the dual card memory card slot is very convenient feature. I wish I could see two of the XQD, but this will also compromise the size, so Nikon tried to keep the same size, the same grip of the camera, while achieving two SD cards, or XQD and SD card, which is a privilege. Video quality, specifically speaking, in the Z6, there is a quality improvement that the Z6 can record the full pixel readout over sampling using the entire width of the frame and the sensor. There is no cropping at all, which is a privilege point. Inshallah, expect that I will be doing a full review in the next following period, and I will be taking this camera with me on field. I will be doing some serious astrophotography checking. I will be doing some serious astrophotography testing. I will be doing some low light videography, and let us see how this will turn out to be. I'm really excited about it, and inshallah everything will be just fine. So stay tuned and let us see how this camera will perform, and see you guys soon inshallah. Bye bye.